Are you ready to tap into one of the hottest trends in e-commerce? Welcome to our guide on TikTok shops. Your ticket to a potential $10,000 per month in profit. 1. Creating your TikTok shop account. First things first, let's set up your TikTok shop. This nifty feature places your online store right inside your TikTok account, bridging the gap between content and sales.
2. TikTok Shop Center.
Now, let's dive into the TikTok Shop Center. It's your command center, where you'll manage products, orders, shipping, and finances, streamlining the entire dropshipping process.
3. Showcasing your products.
The magic starts when you add your products.
High-quality images
and compelling descriptions make your products irresistible to potential buyers.
4. Brand identity.
Establishing your brand within the TikTok shop is key. It builds trust and recognition, setting you apart from the competition.
5. The power of Shopify.
Don't forget about Shopify. It's your dropshipping backbone, especially for running Facebook ads. It provides the credibility and trust your customers are looking for.
6. Leveraging reviews and optimization.
Reviews speak volumes. Using them strategically boosts your shop's credibility and attracts more potential buyers. Plus, customizing them adds a personal touch. 7. Shipping strategies. Set reasonable shipping fees. High costs can be a turn-off for potential customers. Get this right, and you'll see conversions soar.
8. Completing your seller profile.
A complete seller profile is a trust builder. It ensures smooth transactions, easy communication, and ultimately, satisfied customers.
9. Maintaining a low-risk status.
Keep an eye on your shop's risk level. A low-risk status means smooth sailing, while a high-risk status could disrupt your operations.
10. Efficient order fulfillment.
Order fulfillment made easy. Manage orders seamlessly to guarantee prompt delivery and a stellar shopping experience. 11. Driving traffic. Organic traffic and affiliate marketing are your secret weapons. They can lead to higher sales and increased revenue. Let your products shine. 12. Expert services with Pushify. Need specialized services? Enter Pushify. It offers a range of expert services tailored for dropshipping success, from store creation to video ads and more. 13. Mastering TikTok ads. TikTok ads are your ticket to reaching your target audience. Maximize visibility and watch your sales soar.
14. Testing and optimization.
Fine-tune your advertising strategy for maximum impact. It's the key to driving more sales and growing your profits. There you have it. With these steps and strategies, you're poised for success in the world of TikTok shops. Ready to make your mark? Let's get started.